Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to BENGALURU for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in BENGALURU, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. Today, the GIFT Nifty was indicating 35 point lower opening, but look at the way market rallied for a third straight day. On intraday basis, the Nifty was up more than 200 points for a third straight day. Of course, closing there was some profit booking. Market came down a little bit, but still, Nifty closed at 1 year high. But I'm 100% sure, I think it is 6 months high, but probably it is one year high also. But Bank Nifty closed at fresh all-time high. After market falling, in the month of March and April, so when the market started recovering, it was the banking stocks that led the recovery first. Nifty has not taken out last year all-time high of 26,277 something, but Bank Nifty has taken out all-time high. And again it fell. Now once again the all-time high has been taken out. So the Bank Nifty is looking more bullish. So in fact, the Bank Nifty was the first sector to recover, and after August 15, Prime Minister's announcement regarding GST reduction, the autos index has joined the banking index. Auto stocks have been doing very well since then. And today, in fact, FMCG also seems to be joining the bull rally. The only sector that's a very big laggard is the IT index. I think IT index is still now 20 to 30% lower than their all-time high. So first let us look at some basics. And I told you 25,650 is a resistance because that was the last 6 months high. So that has been taken out decisively. I cannot say decisively, but on closing there was some slight profit booking. But however, technically markets are looking very, very bullish. So now the support is at 25,500. Resistance will be only at all-time high. That is 26,277 or 26,300. I've been telling you for so many days, usually October is a bullish month. Usually we will peak out around Deepavali time, and now Nifty just 3 days shot up from 25,000 to 25,700. So everything is going as per the expectation. What is more worrying, in my opinion, there is still more upside left. Why? Look at the India VIX. Normally, when the market goes higher, India VIX should fall. But what is happening this time? India VIX is also shooting up. India VIX, or volatility index, is called a fear index. Why should there be a fear when the market is going higher? So exactly that is the point. The short sellers, those who have sold call options, or those who have sold in futures, so they are feeling the heat. Because I myself trade and I know how much pressure I'm feeling. So in fact, I had to become a buyer of option in order to manage my sell positions. If I kept myself only as a seller and this strong rally, I would have made a very huge loss. So the volatility index, the fear index, now the fear is actually on the higher side. And look at the option premium, crazy. Say for example, look at 25,000 put option and 26,000 call option in November series. Call price shot up by 50 rupees, put price also shot up by 10-15 rupees. Same thing is the case with the December. Both calls and puts are shooting up. The premiums are expanding. And so this is a really tough time for option writers actually. So by looking at all these things, looks like market rally is likely to continue barring unforeseen circumstances. And you know that like over the weekend, Trump can tweet something unexpected can happen. But as long as there is no unexpected thing happening, this rally is likely to continue. More importantly, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance. All three results are there over the weekend, and Monday there will be reaction. And as I always say, these three stocks have about 33% weightage in Nifty, so it's going to be a big day on Monday. Usually, one day before Nifty expiry, at the money short straddle used to trade around a premium of 100 to 110 rupees only. Now, because Tuesday is a holiday, Monday is the expiry, so today is actually one day before expiry, and today the Nifty short straddle premium is around 180 rupees, which is very high. So everywhere, look at the calls and puts, everywhere the premiums is really very, very high. So that shows that, the market is not likely to go sideways. It's going to make a big move. So remaining things we will discuss over the weekend, Dalal Street Week Ahead program. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.